Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. It's Abhilash here. Now today we are doing a video on Bajaj seat modification like you've seen in the thumbnail. Now this is a seat that I have not done. I've actually found these two pictures online which was very interesting to me because I've not seen such modification on Avenger. I did look up some videos on YouTube. I could not find anything related to that. So it's a very interesting design for the backrest actually for the pillion, and we'll do a quick video. It's going to be a very short video, and now this video I do not have a video of it. It's just two pictures that I have, and I'm making out a video out of that. So you guys can actually use it as an inspiration to build it, take it down to any of your seed modification centers, and then ask them to do it by showing these photos or this video. So just see how you can work this out, and feel free if you find any bikes that is already modified like this, and do comment below. I'd like to know more about it. So let's take a quick look on the video, on the photographs, and let's see what we can find out from that. So that is the seat. It looks very standard when you're looking at the seat like this, but the beauty of this seat is the backrest and the pillion rest. But even when you look at the standard seat, it looks a lot more comfortable. Even the back seat is a little wider than the normal one. Now let's take a look at the rider seat. This is the rider seat which has got a proper backrest, and that has I think 2 or 3 levels that can be adjusted up and down. Looks very comfortable there. And now that's the pillion. So it looks very comfortable at the pillion, and even the bottom portion is also a little wider than the normal. Looks aesthetically well blending along with the bike also. Now my only question would be, the back pillion, would that actually be able to hold the weight of the pillion when they lean back? But as far as it looks, it looks very good. The black and brown stitches are also done pretty neat. Now the joints, that's the two joints there, so I don't know how much weight would it be able to take, but maybe we can stabilize it by doing some sort of a pipe or something underneath the seat. I'm sure that we can do that. And aesthetically it looks very well designed and goes along with the bike color, as well as the proportion of the seat towards the bike looks also very decent. So that's the complete look of the bike, and the best part is you can remove the pillion and the rider seat and it will look like a normal standard bike. And when you're going on long trips, what you can do is you put the panniers and the boxes, and along with that you put the seat. The vehicle proportion would be really good. It will look really well, and you will have a very long comfortable ride. I'm sure that the pillion would enjoy the ride because he can lean back, just sit down there with the backrest and the handrest there. And the rider also has the right amount of backrest that can be adjusted up and down. So it looks very good to me, and the design is also pretty good, but only question would be, is it practical with the pillion with such a height and the amount of weight that would go on the pillion backrest? Would it be able to hold it? But maybe like I said, under the seat you can actually have some metal rods that can be sitting there, which is very stable and strong. Then these two, the pillion rod, actually the seat rest rod goes inside that, and then that should be able to give proper backrest support. So that's my thought on it. I really like the design, and I would probably give it, out of 10 I'll give it probably an 8, because it looks pretty good and looks like a custom, like a standard bike, goes along with the color scheme and the bike. So that's my thought on it. Okay, so that's the seat modified on the Avenger. Wasn't it interesting? I find it very interesting. Now you guys need to comment what if you found it interesting, or if there's any shop that who's built these kind of seats. Feel free to comment below. So thank you so much guys for watching this, and I'm sure that this would be helpful for all you guys out there. Now thank you so much, and I'll see you guys with a new video. And don't forget to hit a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and share. You have wonderful